Hello, this is Nico Newman here, back with the unboxing of a Japan candy. A friend brought us it from Japan, and yeah, we're going to be unboxing it. So it comes in this package. They're like little bites. So there's a fairy there. I've always wanted to go to Japan, but I never was able to. Open this. Oh, so there's different flavors. So like there's coconut. I don't know that. That one's like, I actually don't know that, but we're gonna be starting off with, yep, these. Alright. If you did not know, I love sweets, and we've seen this one. Japan. If you live in Japan and then like now you do something that's like rude. Oh, that smells so good. Here they are. If I do something rude, please comment. But I'm pretty sure it might be in Japan rating, but. Ew. I definitely don't like them. I don't like them. That one tastes bad. I'm sorry, but that tastes terrible. For me it does, but like, it's just weird. So it's like you can't chew it. It's just like when you put it in your mouth, it melts. And it has like an aftertaste. But yeah, put that one. Well, yeah, that'll be it. So, shut up, car. That'll be it. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. And that'll be it. Bye-bye. Look for this in Japan. I don't know where it is, but okay.